Okay, so let's look at our day 39 bell ringer. Our first question says, mitosis is the division of blank cells. Okay. It's going to be the division of the somatic cells. Remember, somatic means body cells. Any cell in your body, be it skin cell, heart cell, lung cell, bone cell, all the cells in your body are somatic cells unless it is the egg or sperm cell. So the egg and sperm cells are gametes or sex cells. Okay. Mitosis is going to happen in the somatic cells, the body cells. Our germ cells, sex cells, are going to undergo meiosis instead of mitosis. And we'll talk more about it later. But mitosis is division of somatic or body cells. Somatic or body cells. And next question says the division of cytoplasm is called, that's called cytokinesis, and it's not actually considered part of mitosis, but it happens right there at the end of mitosis. That's where the cytoplasm itself actually splits the rest of the way into to make two distinct cells, and that is called cytokinesis. So we have PMAT, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and in prophase, that's when the chromosomes condense so we can start seeing them under a microscope. The nuclear membrane starts going away. So prophase, that's the pre-steps before things can actually really be seen there. So prophase, it's the first time we can see the chromosomes. It's the nuclear membrane is going away. Preparing, prophase is preparing for lining up with the chromosomes. They have to get out of that nucleus before they can do that. So prophase and metaphase. Meta means middle. Meta means middle. So metaphase, they're going to line up down the middle. Those chromosomes are lining up straight down the middle. A straight single file line of chromosomes down the middle during metaphase. Okay. And at that point, the centrioles are going to send out those spindle fibers, kind of like a fishing line. They're going to attach to those chromosomes. And then we go to anaphase. Ana means away. Ana means away, so at anaphase, those chromosomes start moving away from each other till they reach the end. So they reach the end where you have two distinct areas of cells, and they start to pinch into two. So telophase or telophase, pinch into two. We have two nuclear areas. We're beginning to pinch into two new cells, so that's telophase. They all start with T. And then right after that's when the cytokinesis happens. For them to totally become two totally distinct cells, cytokinesis happens. That's a division of the cytoplasm when it goes bloop. And then we have two separate daughter cells that look just alike. They're identical, two identical daughter cells at that point. Remember, for cytokinesis in plant cells, they're not able to just go bloop and pinch in because they've got that hard cell wall. So they lay down what's called a cell plate down the middle. And then that will form the ends of those cell walls for those two cells when they divide. Okay. And then after cytokinesis, those daughter cells are going to go back into interphase where they're growing and developing and making new organelles, copying their DNA through DNA replication. All that's happening during interphase. And so when it gets so big and so much organelles inside that it needs to divide again, then it'll go back into mitosis and go all the way back through PMAT again. And then cytokinesis will happen at the end. That's the division of the cytoplasm to form two distinct cells.